friends, welcome back to Savvy's Kitchen. Mangoes are in season and the best way to enjoy them is make different recipes with them. So today we are going to make mango pudding in my kitchen. It is going to be really delicious, so let's begin. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell for all upcoming videos. For this recipe, I am using 1 cup of mango puree and I am going to make mango slices and make it into a puree first. Now thick mango puree is ready, so let us look into other ingredients that we need for this recipe. I have taken 1 cup of whole milk for this recipe and 3/4 cup of crystalline sugar. You can take sugar according to your taste. Now I am taking 2 tablespoons of custard powder and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. We also need 1 tablespoon of ghee to smear the bowl. So let's look into all the 5 ingredients that we need for this recipe. Now I am going to take half cup of milk in a bowl and add custard powder to it first. And then give a quick mix with a whisker. Into this bowl, now I will add the mango puree and give a quick mix. Friends, you can also check out mango ice cream recipe that we did on this channel. I will link it in the I button and also in the description box. Now I am going to take remaining half cup of milk in a pan and add crystalline sugar to it and then heat it over a medium flame. We can add the cardamom powder and start mixing it over a low flame till it boils. Keep stirring this so that the sugar will melt, and once it starts to boil, we can add the mango puree and the custard powder mixture to this and heat it over a low flame. Once I add the puree, I will keep stirring it for 5 to 10 minutes and this mixture will start to bubble up. When it is bubbling up like this, you can switch off the flame and cool it down for some time. Friends, For this recipe I have not used gelatin or china grass, so this might not be really like a jelly consistency. Once it starts to bubble up like this, I have taken it out and taken a bowl and smear the bowl with a ghee like this. I will add this into this bowl and refrigerate it over 8 to 10 hours or overnight. Friends, I can see that it is really delicious and I am just waiting for 8 to 10 hours to enjoy this. Friends, the pudding is ready and you can see that it is really thick in consistency and really yummy. I hope that you liked this video. If you have liked it, please give a big thumbs up and share it among your friends. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.